The One Smart Keyboard Color 61 is a great choice for beginners, offering built-in red LED lights that guide you through over 4,000 sheet music pieces and 100 instructional videos and games. With 256 timbres and 64 polyphony, this keyboard provides a rich variety of sounds, allowing you to experiment with different instruments such as guitars, drums, marimbas, and ukuleles. The sound quality is impressive, with tones sampled from a grand piano, delivering a powerful and dynamic experience that closely resembles an acoustic piano. Weighing just under 8 pounds, this lightweight and portable digital piano is perfect for taking on the go, whether you are traveling or camping, and it can be powered by a power supply or 4 AA batteries. The keyboard offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair it with your device easily, supporting MIDI input and output, and making it compatible with various third-party music apps. Its sleek design comes in 7 color options, making it not only a functional instrument, but also a stylish addition to your music setup.